Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create a subcorpus in the noSketch engine concordancer. First, we open the noSketch engine at Clarin SI and choose the cParallel corpus. We are redirected to the corpus information page. By clicking again on the corpus info item in the menu on the left, we can display any existing subcorpora with information on their size, as you can see here below. In order to create a subcorpus, we must first navigate to the search page from the menu on the left. In the noSketch engine, we can create a subcorpus either by selecting the relevant metadata available in the text type section that you expand by clicking on this link, or by using a concordance search. The first approach, which uses text types, is easier and includes selecting the desired parameters from a predefined set of available corpus metadata. To use this approach, click Create New. We are redirected to a page where we first define the name of our subcorpus and then select the appropriate parameters. We can, for example, create a subcorpus of all speeches delivered in the National Assembly by regular female speakers. We click Create Subcorpus and our subcorpus appears on the list of all subcorpora together with the information about its size. Here we can also delete our subcorpus, but be careful, this action cannot be undone. However, when complex combinations of parameters are needed, we have to use the advanced approach and compile the subcorpus from a concordance list. To do this, we choose the search option in the menu on the left and then expand the query type submenu. In our specific case, we need to define a range of dates that correspond with a specific parliamentary term. This is currently only possible with the help of regular expressions. This second approach also requires some knowledge of corpus query language or CQL. If you're not familiar with regular expressions or CQL, you can read more about it on the Sketch Engine website. So, we click in the CQL field and enter our search query. We have provided the query in the tutorial, so you can just copy and paste it into this field and click Make Concordance. The concordancer returns all the instances in the corpus that match the query. In our case, there are around 4,200 utterances produced by female regular speakers in the lower chamber of the Parliament during the first parliamentary term. The text in red represents the hits that match our query. The paragraph marks indicate utterance boundaries. The text in black is the context of our query that can be expanded by clicking our word in focus. And the blue text in the left is the metadata of the utterance that can also be expanded by clicking on the selected line. In order to have these hits ready at a later stage for additional analysis, we have to save them to a subcorpus. To do this, we select Make Subcorpus in the left menu. In the pop-up window that appears, we define the name of the subcorpus and select Division from the drop-down menu. This way, we save the appropriate structures in our subcorpus. In our case, we only want to have utterances of regular female speakers in our subcorpus, and not the entire text, that is, debates in which regular female speakers delivered their speeches. We click Save, and the notification in the next pop-up window tells us that the subcorpus has been successfully saved, and we can close this window. To check if our subcorpus has been correctly created, we can select the Corpus Info option in the left menu, as we showed at the beginning of this video, or we can go to the Search option, Text Type submenu and click Info. In the next videos, I will show you how to analyze these subcorpora using some of the most popular corpus analysis techniques.